Hi, today I'm reviewing the BIOSSANCE Squalane Peptide Eye Gel. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I will never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com or click on the Amazon link below. So I know a lot of you have been asking me to review more BIOSSANCE products, and I've been meaning to. They recently came out with another eye product, which I debated picking that one up. That one came in a jar, so I really like the pump tube bottle better. So I decided to try this one. Although I've tried a lot of BIOSSANCE products. I've got their squalane oil, their sunscreen, their cleansing. I've tried a lot of them. So I tend to like their products, although their tea tree oil line, I tried a few of those and I wasn't a huge fan of those. But some of their earlier products and their algae products and peptide products are pretty darn good. So overall, let's see. BIOSSANCE calls this an eye gel with peptides, Acetyl and arginine to help reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles, plus squalane and hyaluronic acid. So let's find out a little bit more, and I will go to my first criteria, which is packaging. And like I just said a second ago, I love this. I love eye products that come in a pump tube. A lot of eye products come in jars, and those just aren't the most effective way to package those, especially when they contain a lot of good beneficial ingredients. So I love a pump tube for almost everything, and eye products are even better. So especially like if you're in the middle of your routine and you're about to do your eye stuff and your hands are already covered with stuff and you can't open the jar because your hands are so slimy, but you don't want to wash them because if you rinsed them off every 5 seconds in your routine, your hands would be super dry. So anyway, I love the packaging. Very nice, and they've got some good things in here, so it's protected. My second criteria is alcohol, and this does not contain any denatured alcohol, so that's a good thing, especially for the eye area. Fragrance. This product has no fragrance and no noticeable scent, which is what I like about a lot of the BIOSSANCE products, is that they tend not to use fragrance. That's why their tea tree oil line. Tea tree oil can be a good beneficial ingredient, but because it has a strong scent to it, can be also sensitizing, so that's why I'm not necessarily a huge fan of that. So that line of theirs I just wasn't totally into, but getting back to the good things, I really like that. So this. Okay, on to my fourth criteria, which is manufacturing location. This is made in the US, so no issues at all with that. Ease of use. So I'm also going to do a pH test on it, but so BIOSSANCE says this can be used morning and evening all over the eye area. What I like is that my eyelids tend to get dry, especially if I use a lot of eyeshadows. And certain brands, more than others, really make my eyelids dry and sensitive. So what I like about this is I can use this around my eyes and I can use this on the eyelids. So a little bit goes a long way. It can be used under makeup for the most part. But if you're going to use it, I would recommend not applying it to your eyelids if you're going to apply eyeshadow for obvious reasons. So, but a little bit of this can go a very long way. So this little jar or tube of this will last probably me like 4 or 5 months. So very easy to use. So the pH of this looks like it's about 5-ish. So yeah, closer to 5 than 6. So there we go with that. So a little bit goes a long way, and for the most part, it's very easy to use. Products can layer over it nicely, and for the most part, it works well under makeup, although sometimes certain foundations can crease under the eye area with this underneath it, so just be aware of that. Okay, on to my sixth criteria, which is antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So let's just start at the top. So squalane, which is very good antioxidant. It's also good for hydrating skin. Niacinamide is in there, which is also good antioxidant. It's also good for skin brightening and hydration. Although, well, I'll get to performance in a second. So then we've got Chondrus crispus, which is good antioxidants and algae. It also is good for protecting the skin, help fighting pollution and environmental stressors. Then we've got Swiss apple stem cell, which is a good anti-aging ingredient. It's also apparently super expensive. Peptides are in here, like it's in the title, so that's a good skin restoring ingredient and anti-aging ingredient. Then we've got green tea. Caffeine is in there. Sodium hyaluronate, vitamin C, and lecithin. So it's it's got a pretty packed list of beneficial ingredients and antioxidants. So they've done a very good job with that. I was very impressed. I wasn't exactly certain what I was going to see until after trying it. I was pretty happy. I mean, like their squalane oil, it was squalane oil. That was pretty much all it was. So it's nice to see that they've included a lot of good things, because skin needs more than just one ingredient. It needs a lot of things, and this is a well-rounded list of ingredients. So they've done a good job with that. My 7th criteria is animal testing, and this product is cruelty-free. It is also gluten-free, and it is also vegan. So very nice to see, very including everybody of different preferences. Performance. This delivers some great hydration, gives skin a bit of plumping, kind of helps with fine lines and wrinkles, helps slightly with puffiness. It doesn't do a ton for dark circles, although the niacinamide they included does give it a bit of a brightening effect. Dark circles are so tough to treat, and most of them are genetic, and without things like, I don't know, can surgery even do that? Maybe like fillers or things can do those, treat those. But dark circles are probably, it's more easy to camouflage them than it is to get rid of them. But otherwise, this eye product does a great job. Fine lines, gives you some plumpness, gives you some hydration, and some good anti-aging ingredients. So I'm very happy with how this eye product performs. I wish I would have picked it up earlier and tried it. It's been out for a while, so I wish I would have picked it up when it first came out, because I'm very happy with it. Price is my 9th criteria, and this is probably the only downside because it is pricey. So this is the full size, which is half an ounce, and the full size is retails for $54, which is pricey. But the nice thing is it's packaged well, so it's not like a jar eye product where you open up and you really have to finish it. The second you open it and use it, you need to continually use it and finish it. This one you can use for a week, set aside for a week, come back to it for a week. It's not going to go bad as fast as something packaged in a jar. So, and then I also love the pump because you're not wasting a lot of ingredients. So the price is pricey. Okay, my 10th criteria is the it factor. And I really love this eye cream. I was actually pretty surprised I liked it as much as I did, because I really haven't found a lot of eye creams that I'm really happy with. It's rare because I have a list of my eyes are sensitive, my eyelids are dry, they're allergy prone, they're sensitive to fragrance, and so it's really hard to find a good one. But I love this one. It's got good beneficial ingredients. It's well packaged, fragrance and alcohol free, cruelty free. It's a winner, except for the price. If I could get it for free, that would be even better. But I don't know. Pick it up on Sephora when they have their sale or something, or pick it up directly from BIOSSANCE. They have sales every once in a while, so they just had one, like their friends and family sale. I think it was like 30% off, 25%. So overall, I gave this a 9 out of 10, which is pretty good. So I'm interested if you guys have a chance to try this, and if you have what your thoughts are, or if you have a favorite product from BIOSSANCE. What is it, and how do you like it, and why do you love it? So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out nobsbeauty.com and the Amazon link below, and I will see you tomorrow.